Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to apply character formatting in Microsoft Word.
Character formatting controls how individual letters and words look: font, size, color, bold, italic, and more. Let's start with font and size. Select any paragraph text. Go to Home tab, click the font name dropdown. It currently shows Aptos. Select Times New Roman. Font changes instantly across all selected text. Now click the font size dropdown. Change from 12 to 14. Text becomes larger. You can also use the Grow Font and Shrink Font buttons. The A with an up arrow grows the font one size at a time. The A with a down arrow shrinks it. Now let's apply bold, italic, and underline, the three most common formatting options. Select any sentence, press Ctrl-B to make it bold. Press Ctrl-B again to remove it. Press Ctrl-I for italic, press again to remove. Press Ctrl-U for underline, press again to remove. These shortcuts are the fastest way to apply formatting as you type. Now let's look at Strikethrough. Select any word, click the AB button. A line appears through the text, commonly used to show deleted or outdated content. Subscript makes text smaller and below the line, useful for chemical formulas like H2O. Click X with a 2 below it. Superscript makes text smaller and above the line, useful for footnotes or math like x to the second power. Click X with a 2 above it. Now let's change the text case. Select a sentence, click the AB dropdown. Uppercase makes all letters capital. Lowercase makes all letters small. Capitalize each word makes the first letter of every word capital, useful for titles and headings. Now let's change the font color. Select any text, click the drop-down arrow next to the font color button. A color panel opens, showing theme colors and standard colors. Click any color to apply it, click automatic to go back to default black. Finally, text highlight. Select any text, click the highlight drop-down. Choose yellow or any color. Text is highlighted, useful for marking important information. Click no color to remove the highlight.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.